Look at this equation. We are asked to find the value of x in the equation, which is x plus 10 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 100. That means we are looking for x. But how do we get this x? We see that this whole expression is raised to the power of 2. It's becoming very difficult for us to assess the x that is inside there. So the first thing we are going to do is look for a way to do away with this power of 2. And the only way to do that is by taking the square root on both sides. So let's take the square root on both sides. We now have x plus 10 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 100. When we take square root on both sides, it means we are going to put the square root here and then we put another square root this side. That means we have taken square root on both sides. You understand? But the thing is, the square root on this side is going to carry a plus or negative. Why are we putting a plus or negative there? It because of this power of 2, it shows that when you open that bracket, the power of s is going to be 2, which means the expression will be what? A quadratic equation. If your unknown is having the power of 2, it means it's a quadratic equation. So it's expected to have how many answers? 2 answers. That is why we have to put this plus or negative so that it will help us to give us what? 2 answers. So let's go. This 2 will now cancel this square root. Then we'll be having x plus what? 10 is equal to plus or negative. The square root of 100 is what? The square root of 100 is 10. Because square root means if we multiply that number 2 times. So if we multiply 10 2 times, it give you 100. Okay, so let's move this to the other side. We have x be equals to plus or negative of 10. If we move plus 10 to this side, it becomes minus 10. So let's start with the plus side. We have x is equals to plus 10 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 is going to give us what? It's going to give us a 0. That means x is equals to 0. This is one of the solutions. Let us check the second one. That is when we are going with minus. X is equals to minus 10 minus 10. Minus 10 minus 10 is what? It's going to give us minus 20. That means x is either 0 or minus 20. It means if you put in these two, any of these values here is going to give you 100. If you put 0 here, you have 0 plus 10, which is 10. 10 squared means what? 10 times 10, which is 100. If you put in minus 20 here, minus 20 plus 10, that will give you what? Will give you minus 10. Minus 10 squared is what? 100. So if you love this solution and you want to see more of it, do well to follow our page or subscribe depending on which channel you're watching from, so that we'll keep dropping it for you. Bye.